Hey Beauty Glam sisters, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And hello to the new Beauty Glam sisters, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a St. Patrick's Day, my favorite holiday, my favorite color as well, green. So if you want to stay tuned to see how I create this St. Patrick's Day look, go ahead and stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share this video. And continue being a Beauty Glam sister. Alright, let's get started. First thing we're going to use is the Urban Decay Primer Potion for the lids. Don't forget to blend it all in. Next, from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, Pookie, that color just to trace the crease where we're going to actually do the cut crease. And I'm going to grab my electric palette brush. Okay, so now that we have our little rough draft, I'm going to go in with the electric palette. I'm going to go in with Freak and Thrashed. So these two, blend those together. I'm going to go on top of the rough draft that we did. Okay, so now that we have this, two colors mixed up as a transition color, we're going to go in with a little bit of Jeffree Star Crocodile Tears on the outer top of the rough draft. We're going to blend it. We're going to grab the other end of the electric palette brush. And we're going to go on top of the line that we did. Okay, so now that we have both lids covered in crocodile tears, we're going to go in with a blending brush and blend that out so it won't look so harsh. Alright, so now we have all that blended in. We're going to go in and cut the crease. And we're going to use this Photo Focus Concealer from Wet n Wild. And we're going to cut the crease. Alright, so now that we cut the crease, we're going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. We're going to grab Beam. We're going to put it on the lid with a flat brush. Okay, now that we did that, we're going to go in with another flat brush, and we're going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, Enchanted, which is this one right here. It's like a dark forest, like really dark green. And we're going to do like a little kind of like cut the crease so it could look defined. Not so dark, not so harsh, not so, you know. Just trace it so it could look good. Then we're gonna grab a blending brush and blend that out. I'll grab a smaller blending brush and blend that out. Okay, now that we've blended with the small blending brush, we're gonna go in with a small synthetic brush, our NYX primer glue, put them in the back of our palm, and then we're gonna put it right there where we cut the crease. Alright, next we're gonna grab the NYX glitter glue in GLI number 5. Then we're gonna grab a flat brush. I'll use this flat brush from Wet n Wild. Grab some glitter and go with in the lid. Alright, now that we have the glitter on, we're going to go in again with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to grab this brush, this contour brush, and I'm going to go in with Beam again and as a highlight on top of the brow bone. Alright, next I'm going to go in with Wet n Wild Liquid Eyeliner, Mega Liner. Okay, now that the liner is on, I'm gonna go and clean up a little bit and then be back with lashes. Alright, lashes are on. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of the Enchanted at the bottom with this brush from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And blend it out. And for the lips, I'm going to use Crocodile Tears to complete the St. Patrick's Day look. Alright, Beauty Glam sisters, I'm going to add a little bit of glitter, like right now, on the lips. And that looks very holiday-ish. So if you like this video, Beauty Glam sisters, make sure you subscribe, like this video, share this video, leave a comment below, and continue being a Beauty Glam sister. I appreciate every single last one of you, Beauty Glam sisters. Till next time, bye.